Hello everyone, my name is Anirudh. Today we are in mechanical workshop and I will be showing you how the process are carried out here in this mechanical workshop. Right now we will be seeing how the raw materials are converted to the finished final products, and in this there are milling, turning as well as growing part, grinding part, and we will be seeing this everything. So these are the raw materials. You can see these are the raw materials, and this will be converted to the final finished product. And here we go. These are the final products where the grinding process has been done. Right now I will be showing you the lathe machine. So this entire huge machine is also known as a lathe machine. Here I will be explaining you what are the steps carried out here, and I will be attaching a next video also in which the process was carrying out. Actually right now the machine is turned off. So this is the headstock in which the chuck is there. Here the spindle or the workpiece is attached here. The main beauty of this product is the spindle bore is around 5 inch, so you can place a spindle of around 5 inch diameter, that is outer diameter. And this entire is headstock. This is the tailstock. Here there is a drill bit, and we can entirely adjust this with the help of these wheels. In this, by doing this, we can adjust the x-axis. Right now you can see here is the tool part. This is the tool. So by turning out this wheel, you can adjust the x-axis, and with the help of this wheel, you can just you can just turn right or left by using this in the y-axis. This is the lead screw which has the trapezoidal shaped threadings. Apart from this, with this help of tool wheel, you can adjust the drill part, and here the workpiece is placed. With the help of this tool, you can lock the spindle by doing like this. This is the control panel. Here there are three lights, red, yellow and blue. The ampere meter is there, and apart from this, the emergency stop button is also given out. And coming back down here, these are the levers. This is used to turn this chuck into clockwise or else anti-clockwise direction, that is reverse and forward direction. You can see here, like there is given printed here, reverse and forward. So by just turning out the lever, you can adjust the direction of this chuck. This is the lever. Here this lever is used to vary the spindle RPM. So the minimum RPM here is around 25 RPM. So with the help of the RPM, you can adjust the speed of this chuck. And to give you more information about, like, the lower the speed, the higher the efficiency or the higher the life of the machine, because many operators what they do is they adjust the speed, they accelerate the speed a lot, and just because of this thing the eccentric motion turns out and the machine can go, the accident can happen, or else like the machine breakdown can happen. It can lead to breakdown. So apart from this, the coolant setup is at back side. And coming to the other machines, that is, I will show you the CNC turning machine. This is CNC turning, in which here you can see the raw materials. These are the raw materials and these are the finished products. CNC turning machine. The threading is also done over here. You can see the threading, as well as the facing, and rest of the things are carried out. This is the alarm clock. If anything goes bad or something, it goes out of the control, then it blinks. It is the tower lamp. It is also known as tower lamp. And you can put the tools over here, like you can adjust, you can like multiple tools you can hold it. Like if there is a one turn point, with the help of this turn, you can rotate the tool, like whichever tool you want, at that time. Apart from this, this is the vertical grinding machine, vertical drilling machine, sorry. And this is the same thing. This is the bed on which the workpiece is kept, and with the help of the drill part is attached. With the help of this lever, you can just adjust it down or like upside. This is also the trapezoidal lead screw. And here we come to the grinding machine. The main purpose of this grinding machine is to make it fine. The surface of the raw materials are rough, so to make it smooth and clear, at that time the grinding machine is used. With the help of grinding tool, you can see that the grinding tool is there. With the help of that grinding tool, you can just buff out the surface of the workpiece. Here you can see, here the entire setup is control panel. With the help of this control panel, you can adjust, you can put the G code, N code. And apart from this, there is a coolant button, also emergency stop, entire same thing which has been carried which I showed on the lathe machine. And you can see here how the machining is carried out. There is a grinding wheel. You can for every part you need to check how the measurement, you need to check that entire thing. From this pipe, blue color pipe, the coolant just flushes out because the temperature really goes up. And this is the entire setup, and this is also known as grinding machine. And these are the raw materials. You can see these are the final product, I think. And here the grinding is carried out. You can see here he just measures out by clamping the hose into it and checks it out. There is one more machine, a CNC turning machine. This is also the lathe machine. You can see this is the lathe machine, but only it depends on the workpiece, like how you need. It depends on the customer's requirement. Like if the machine is real, if the machining, if it has to be the shaft is large, then you can take that lathe machine, or else like according to the need you can adjust it. This is CNC grinding machine, a smaller version of CNC grinding machine. And this is CNC turning machine. Here you can see how this is the raw material, but the grinder, here you can see with the help of lathe machine, the central drill part has been done. This has been done just to clamp this or hold the stool path. And here you can see the entire raw material right now. And this product has been converted like this, where you can see there is a grooving has been done here, threading has been done, as well as tapper has been done. So this is the final product, and this is the machine in which this task has been carried out. So this is the thing, same thing, that the control panel is there, the process is taking on, that's why it's blinking the green color. And yeah, the main thing, right, the bolt is there. You just need to put it and check that how fine it has been done. So he just puts it like this and checks it out like this. So this raw material has been converted into this part, this product. You can see it like this, raw material to final product using grinding machine. This is growing part. The threading has been done and the taper has been done. So yeah, so far so good. And this is also one one machine in which you check the rotation is there or not, like there are two holes. You just put this, you just bring this part to here, adjust it, and just see if that rotates or not. And by this method we can check everything and how the process like facing, milling as well as turning process has been carried out. So this is entire the machine workshop. And yeah, I hope you like this video, and thanks a lot.